What if I told you that in just 6 months, you could achieve something most people think takes years? Whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or transforming your health, this is your exact blueprint to make it happen. And the best part? I'll be right here with you, every step of the way. J.K. Rowling went from welfare to writing Harry Potter. Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, only to return and revolutionize tech. Chris Gardner went from homeless to millionaire. What's stopping you from making your own leap? Pause right now. Write down one massive goal you're committing to in the next 6 months. Got it? Good. Now let's break it down so it actually happens. Step 1. Define your win. Not just get fit, lose 20 pounds by December. Not just start a business. Launch my online store by January. Step 2. Reverse engineer. Break it into weekly targets. What can you do this week? Example, writing a book? This week's goal equals outline chapter 1. Step 3. The 1% rule. Small wins equals big results. What's one tiny thing you can do today? 1% better every day equals 37x improvement in a year. Math doesn't lie. Step 4. Build your support squad. Who's holding you accountable? Comment your goal below. I'll help. Join a community, hire a coach, or partner with a friend. Step 5. Review and adjust. Every month ask, what's working? What's not? Pivot fast. No guilt, just progress. Will it be easy? No. Will there be days you want to quit? Absolutely. But here's the secret. The people who succeed aren't luckier. They just refuse to stay down. Your turn. Drop your 6-month goal below. I'm reading everyone. Tag someone who'll hold you accountable. Smash like if you're serious, because in 6 months you'll be the one inspiring others. 6 months from now you'll wish you started today. Let's make sure you don't regret a thing.